Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to create a Gantt chart in Microsoft Excel. Here is a project and there are different tasks and starting date and duration are also given, and I want to create a Gantt chart from this data. Just click anywhere in your sheet in blank cell and go to the insert, and here you can see here option insert column or bar chart. Just click here, and here I just select the stack bar chart. It will display the blank chart. Now I have to add the data. How can we add the data? Just click here, select data, and here is the option add. Just click add, and in series name just select the start date, and series value are this date, and click OK. Now I want to add the another series. Just click add, and in series name just select the duration, and in series value are these one, and click OK. Now it will display the series 1 2 3 just like this. I want to display the task 1 to 8. Just click edit and just select all the tasks. It will display all the tasks in the stack bar chart, and click OK, and click OK. Now I want to hide this blue area. Just click here and right click and go to the format data series, and here you will find the option fill and line, and select the no fill. It will hide the blue area. You can see here. Now you can see here task 8 on the top, but I want to display the task 8 on the bottom. How can we display the reverse this task? Just click here and go to the format axis. Here you will find the option categories in reverse order. Just check it. Now task 1 is on the top. In horizontal axis I want to display the duration. Just click here and go to the format axis. In minimum I just select the date 1st Jan 2021, and maximum value just select the last date of the year 31st December 21. Now you can see here the Gantt chart. This is a very simple ways to create a Gantt chart in Microsoft Excel. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.